Hello, this is Penelope Whiteley from Aging Disgracefully, and this is a very short, I hope, video about the vision board workshop I'm running next Wednesday here in Brockenhurst, Hampshire, at the Village Hall. And I just wanted to tell you a quick story on my vision board that I did about a month ago. There is a picture of a Citroën C3. I love these cars, love the colours, love the shape of them, love everything about them. And yesterday I went to hire another car, and at the hiring place, the car hire place, they gave me a Citroën C3, which is in the most amazing shade of burnt orange with a black roof. I'll take a photograph later. And I'm so excited. So, proof, really, that vision boards do work. They don't necessarily work in exactly the way you want them to. That's like life, really, isn't it? But they do work. Visualization. So, if you're thinking about coming next Wednesday and you're in the area, or if you're not in the area, make the effort and come, because it's going to be great. So, yes, I'll look forward to seeing you all then. I hope. You can tell I'm not good with the phone, can't you?